everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting. And I have some China mail. We're going to do an unboxing. This one's a little different because it says that it came from Korea. So I don't know why that surprises me, but mine tend to come from China. So I don't know, someone told me, one of the sellers told me that there's a huge market for diamond painting in Russia. I think it's pretty new in the US, and there's a lot of US companies who are trying to become manufacturers of this, but I think the Chinese sellers are still leading the pack. There's definitely more of them. This came in a nice box. It says Zooey Star on here, and there's a little bit in Russian. It's supposed to say diamonds painting, but it says Dimepens. There's a P in the middle. Not criticizing, I just get amused by funny little things like that. Okay, let me put that box away. Looks like it came in good shape. They wrapped the canvas around the drills and the tools. For the tools, there is a green boat with the spout, a big piece of pink wax, a single pen, and tweezers. Very standard. This is a 50 by 30. I want to say full drill. Let's see. Peel up the paper so we can take a look. It's one big sheet of paper. They did not cut it. Maybe they haven't all gotten the memo yet that we really like it when they cut the paper. Of course, it's plenty easy to do. This is like a beautiful little cottage scene. I see a house and some smoke. I don't know. There we go. Let's see if you can see this. The sky is beautiful. See little trees and stuff. There you go. Can you see that? Let me give it up close so you can see the symbols. Symbols are clear. Even the dark colors, that's always my concern. Some of these dark colors, you can't tell. And they're mostly letters with a couple numbers. There's a few odd symbols like a question mark, a dollar sign, a percentage sign, an ampersand, but nothing funky or out of the ordinary. I don't know, the different symbols make it more interesting for me, but I like when they're just plain and simple because it makes labeling much easier. My label maker doesn't have all those crazy symbols. So there we go. Let me put the picture up for you so you can get a good look at it. It's just a lovely little scene. I have a couple of those cottage scenes that are so pixelated. Even though they're not that small, like a 30 by 40, there's no reason for that size to be totally pixelated. That's just me being picky. I see a loose drill here, but I think it's just a rogue. I don't think it's spilled. We have an inventory sheet. Oh, I remember. This is called Scenery House, and it's by Jolly Life. They're always very good. I like Jolly Life. Let me show you the picture. Oh, I already put the picture up for you too. It's a 50 by 30 full drill. Oh, full drill round. That's why the toolkit is different. The other ones I've gotten from them were squares. And the tools I got tweezers and double-sided pens and things. This is just a standard. Yeah, there's a couple. There's like 3 loose drills. Who cares? That's fine. Go with the flow. As usual, their instructions are translated into English and are just wonderful. They give you the symbol, the DMC number, how many bags you should have, and the quantity you're going to need. So that's wonderful. No black in this. If you look back at the picture, the trees are like blue and red, a lot of different greens. So let me do I'm very happy with this. Let me do a quick inventory on the drills, and then I'll check back in with you. Everything's here. Everything's in good shape. Everything's clearly marked. This is one of those companies that I may be biased because I know the sales girl, but she's just been lovely and has really, you know, I talk to her a lot. I never have a bad kit. This is my 3rd one from Jolly Life. I've gotten rounds and I've gotten squares, and they're all full drill. The colors are all beautiful, and they show up fast because they're sold through Amazon. So I'll put the link down there. If you like my videos, take a minute and hit like and subscribe to my channel. And if you tap that little bell, you'll get notified whenever my new videos come out. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you're enjoying diamond painting as much as I am. Come join us in the Facebook group. So there's still a lot of new people who are just discovering this, just like I did back in April. It wasn't that long ago. And I'm just having so much fun and enjoying the people that I meet. So leave a comment. I always try to answer. Email me if you want. Come on Facebook and chat with me. I'm around a lot and usually have time to chat. So you take care. Have a great day and happy diamond painting. Bye-bye.